Hello everyone, today I am here to introduce a new social media marketing tool called SendPlus. It is an easy and professional tool for sending emails, SMS, and creating chat box for Facebook and Telegram. Okay, let's start by entering the URL www.sendplus.com. Click here SendPlus multi-channel marketing automation platform. As you can see here, the email and messenger marketing platform is an all-in-one communication platform. They connect with your audience on the channel they prefer. Okay, let's start by clicking the sign up button on the right side of the corner. Then enter your name, email ID, phone number and password. Then click sign up button. Here I have already signed up and going to log in. Enter my email ID and password. Then click login. After login, we can see here the dashboard of the SendPlus. On the left side of the dashboard, we can see create a campaign, mailing list, my campaigns, email template, automations, subscription form, service settings and pricing plan. On the top of the bar, we can see email, push, SMTP, chat box and email verification. On the right side of the corner, we can see your name, email ID and account settings. After creating mailing list, click create a campaign, then click email campaign. We have 4 levels to create a campaign. First one is information about campaign. Second one is message content. Third one is campaign parameters. And fourth one is preview and send. Let's talk about new email campaign. Pick a mailing list from here. Digital marketing course with internship. Then click OK. Use segmentation if necessary. You can see here the sender's email address and sender's name. Then create a subject line. Digital marketing course with internship. And also you can add emojis from here. Then click next. Here we can create email template. Select one of the template layout structure or choose one of the SendPlus pre-designed templates. Here let us choose a future template. Here you can see a wide variety of template by SendPlus. Let's choose one of the template. Click the template, then click edit. This is the pre-designed template of SendPlus. In this template, we can add our company logo, text, social media links and make changes to suit your needs. On the left side of the section, you can drag and drop this element to the template. Click the element, then drag and drop. On the right side of the template, you can see the components of email body. Edit email body properties as well, like button text, link, button style, color, corner, heights, font size, font style, text color, alignment, background color, etc. First, we need to add our company logo. Click Add New Section, then select and drag and drop to the template. Then click Picture and drag and drop to the template. Then click Select and add our company logo. Next is edit the content section. First, we need to edit the heading. So go to our website and copy the heading from website and paste it here. Then we need to change the properties. Center alignment, click the center alignment, click the color. Then you can increase or decrease the font size. You can bold or unbold, etc. Then we need to give the subheading. First, go to our website, copy the digital marketing training and certification with internship, then paste it here. In read the article section, you can use the link. Go to our website, then copy the link, then paste it here in the property section. Then you can add image as your needs. Then edit the subheading. Go to our website, copy the subheading and paste it here. Change the properties as well. You can decrease our size and increase, bold or unbold, etc. Then go to our website, copy the content from here. And paste it here. Then select the preview. You can see our ad in desktop and mobile looks like. Click Save and continue. You can enter your company name, company address, company phone number, then click Continue Away. Yeah, this is the message content section. The message content section is loading. Yeah, now it is okay. In this section, you can edit your pre-header and template if you need, and also attach files, and also select different templates from here. You can see here the pre-header advanced certification in digital marketing. Click the edit option, go to our page or template. You can edit as you wish. Then go to our message content section, and also you can attach files from here. Click next. The next one is campaign parameter level. In the campaign parameter level, you can see the collect statistics, unsubscribe page, language of the subscription form. You can select English language, subscription category, then click next. And the last section is preview and send. You can see here the mailing list name, sender's email ID, then subject line, digital marketing course with internship. then message content. Here we can recheck the data that we filled in at the beginning. Then scroll down, you can see the sending the campaign, sending time, sending now, or you can schedule our campaign to send it automatically at the best time. Then click start. Now it is running. Yeah, this is our campaign overview page, digital marketing course with internship. You can see here the details, campaign name, mailing list name, address, then sent date, retrieving status, subject line, etc. And also you can see here the email body. Now scrolling down, you can see here the email body. Okay, thank you for watching.